It's Xbox Series launch day. We had a delay scare this morning, but our distributor pulled through. I got the call to pick one up this afternoon. If you're like me, you've watched most of the YouTube videos, from spec breakdowns, unboxings to Snoop Dogg's fridge. So what I'm going to do is share my experience as a normal guy, day one, bringing it home, unboxing it, and getting it set up. So let's get started. So on the front, you've got the grill with the green illusion. It's not LEDs. You've got the picture of the box on the top and on the side. On this side, you've got some specs: 4K 120, 8K HDR, velocity architecture, 1TB SSD, variable refresh rate, 4K Blu-ray. On the back, you've got a joke, because you can't play that. There's a massive backwards compatibility library to get you started with, and then the best deal in gaming right now, Xbox Game Pass. Let's get this thing open. That is a premium unboxing experience. This diagonal cut with the foam enclosure, wrapped up like a gift. Power your dreams. Over here in this compartment, you've got your power cable. You have a high-speed HDMI 2.1. You're going to need a 2.1 to be able to harness this guy's power. Over here, you've got the Xbox Series controller, and there are, surprise, some AA batteries. There's the controller. It's going to feel very familiar for anybody who has a Xbox One controller, but I feel like there are so many small updates that it's definitely improvement. This D-pad, listen to that clicky, is really cool. They've done away with that design with that indented U shape there, and it's now just straight across the top with a black Xbox button. There is a share button, USB-C, texture on the bumpers and the triggers, and some nice texture on the grips here as well. So, really good feeling controller. Let's get the Xbox out. Oh wow, that is heavy. That is really heavy. Power your dreams. Whoa, it is not light. Okay, there it is. So there's the green illusion inside of that dish grill. In the front, you've got the power button, okay, the optical drive, a USB-A, and the Bluetooth pairing. On this side, you've got these rubber feet because it's meant to be able to sit it on its side, but I think that kind of looks stupid. So yeah, over here on the back, you've got two USB-As, network, power, HDMI, and external storage, and a really nice, sturdy, grippy base for you to be able to stand this thing. So quick specs, you've got a Zen 2 AMD CPU with 8 cores at 3.8 gigahertz. You've got 16 gigs of GDDR6 RAM, a 1TB custom NVMe SSD that goes hand in hand with the Velocity architecture. You have hardware accelerated DirectX ray tracing, and some other features include quick resume, which is not just about flicking between games quickly, but it also holds save state when the console's off. So you're going to have really fast boot up times in your game when you get back in. Another feature includes smart delivery, which allows you to buy a game on the Xbox One, and when you want to upgrade, you get the free upgrade to the Series X version. You don't have to buy it twice. Let's get this thing set up. This is my setup at home. I have a Hisense 55-inch 4K HDR10 Plus with local dimming, but a 60Hz refresh rate. You really want 120Hz refresh rate to take advantage of those 120 frames modes in some of the games. But right now those TVs are quite expensive and actually difficult to find. For me, I'm coming from the OG Xbox, so the upgrade is definitely worth it still. I'm going from 1080p to native 4K. I'm going from 30 frames to 60 frames, which is huge. Anyway, now I want to play a game. Let's find a place to put my Xbox Series X in my TV stand. Can it go here? Nope. How about on the floor? Nope. What about here? Well, I have my TV on a bracket, so I've got to be able to pull it out. So nope, doesn't fit under my TV. I'm gonna have to lift my TV up a notch. Better. And here goes.
And you'll get this card in the box that explains how to get the mobile app that you'll use in your setup, and it's all very easy. Your Xbox will give you a code to enter into your mobile app, then you'll scan a QR code and you're good to go.
And it's time to update.
It's about a 700 megabyte download, and when it's done, hit next and you're on your way to your home screen. So we're in, and that was fairly easy. If you're coming from an Xbox One, this dashboard is going to feel very familiar with just some small updates. I'm going to get my next gen experience started with Assassin's Creed Valhalla and Forza Horizon 4, both optimized for my Series X. Time to get downloaded. Guys, please remember to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification icon. If you picked up an Xbox Series on launch day, let me know how it went for you in the comments.